These are my top 3 favorite things about the Biria ST 4.0 e-bike. The first thing is it's all foldable. You can raise and lower the handlebars to your desired height. You can also fold down the handlebars if you want to. You can also fold the frame up like this. And you can also fold in the pedals. This makes it great if you're ever trying to store it somewhere and you need to save some space, or if you want to travel with this thing. It's super easy to toss in your car or SUV and take it camping, or just travel with it to a different park or location to ride your bike. So being able to fold it this nicely is just a plus. My second favorite feature about this e-bike is that it comes with a torque sensor. So this makes riding very adaptive and smooth. The harder you pedal, the faster you're gonna go. The softer you pedal, the slower you're gonna go. It's very dynamic and it's very enjoyable to ride this thing. I've been having a blast riding it around my neighborhood, and the fact that I can speed up and go really zippy or slow down and ride it very casually is just very nice. I can ride this in any scenario or situation and I feel very comfortable on it. My last favorite thing about this e-bike is it comes with quality components on it. The hand grips feel awesome. The seat is very comfortable. The brakes are hydraulic brakes and they can stop this e-bike very smoothly and safely. It comes with 3-inch tires that provide enough comfort when riding over stones, but also they're nimble enough to be able to handle it very easily. And then it comes with all your standard other features like your rear rack, your lights, your step-through frame, your long-range battery. So it's just jam-packed with a lot of cool features, but those are my 3 favorite things that I love about this.